Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete a theme in Canva. First of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device or your computer and make sure that you're logged into your account. To delete a theme on Canva, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded pop-up menu, click on your name at the top. Now, click on the Settings button from the menu. Inside Settings menu, go all the way down and tap on Manage Themes. Under Manage Themes option, you can then tap on the Delete button to the theme you want to delete. Tap the Delete button right next to the theme and then enter the name of the theme to confirm. Click on Delete Theme once you are done, and that should be able to help you delete your theme from Canva. Remember that only the theme owner or admin can delete the theme. Deleting a theme removes all shared designs and collaborations associated with that theme. So that's how you easily delete a theme in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more tutorial videos from Canva. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.